Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are
Welcome back guys, welcome to Content Mastermind, and in this video we are going to talk about voice modulation, how you can modulate your voice using Premiere Pro and using its audio tools. So without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Good job, good job. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use two different kinds of modulations using the primary effect called pitch shifter. Pitch shifter. I just drag it down over here, and the another one I drag it out over here. Then I clicked on the first clip. Then I go on to edit phase and I move it down to the negative side. A kind of voice that comes from it is just like Thanos.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to talk about
Fucking amazing. क्या आवाज है वाह really मधुर आवाज तन मन धन से आती हुई. So this is the first clip where I have just modulated my voice using pitch shifter, and I'm going to do the same with the second clip. I select the second clip, then I went into the effects control and then edit and shift the semitones to the right side. It gives kind of a very shrill voice, so I have set it on 10, and now let's play it and see how does it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are
क्या आवाज है? What an amazing sound it is. It doesn't sound like Mia Khalifa, like Mia Khalifa is speaking by using my throat. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope that you guys really like this video, and if you guys really like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends. Share this. You can share this video to your friends. I didn't use any bad words in this video. So, and this is Yatin signing off until next time.